Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to submit your very jar to the LUMINOUS Sprite to unlock new items in Pro Garden Very Update Part 2. Okay, first of all guys, you need to enter the very world, and you can enter the very world using this very ring. And this very ring will appear every hour in Grow a Garden. It appears 30 minutes after the very event. And then here guys, you need to find Lumina. Okay, you can find it here. And then you can submit your very jar to this NPC. Okay, and this is the very jars I have submitted to Lumina. And I'm going to talk to this NPC, and then we can click on submit very jar or submit all very jars, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and finally I could submit 95 very jars, and we will get a reward after we submit the very jar, after we reach the point. Okay, and then I'm going to click on what are you selling. Okay, after we reach the point guys, we will unlock new items. You can unlock this enchanted chest with 50 very jars if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and for this mutation spray, you need to submit 600 very jars. Okay, and then I'm going to buy this enchanted chest. Okay, and okay guys, that's all the way to submit the very jars to the Luminous Sprite in Grow a Garden Very Update Part 2. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.